They're kind of just stood right in the city center. Look at my room door. Check it out, look, Uruguayan TV. Wow, look at this. A Uruguayan roof, look. Touch some history. But it's pretty much the last remaining piece of the old city wall that surrounded the Spanish citadel 200 years ago. Alright. Found a little market. We're gonna have a look around. I can't dump my bags for over an hour, so we're gonna have to make do. Let's have a look in a market. Maybe it's something like Peru. Maybe it's something like Argentina. Who knows? Look at this. Wow. Give me some water. I'm thirsty. Let's take a look. Oh, look at these big green cages. Look. Wow. Look at that. Look. It's a big old lamb leg. Looks like a lamb leg. Could be a pig leg. Bit different, isn't it? Look at that one. Alright, this is no Peruvian market. This feels European. Very European. You know, it reminds me of that market in Santiago, the kind of fancy one, where everyone was telling me to eat. Oh, the bar's missing. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Maybe we can just have a better look. Wow. Alright, so it looks like the meats are here. The meats are still here. I was worried we left them behind in Argentina, but no, we're okay. The meats are here. Wow. Look at that, the Uruguay. Wow. Oh, there's that drink container. Look. Look at that. I don't remember how much an Argentinian, jeez, I'm doing a bad job. Uruguayan peso is. I think it's a lot less than Argentinian peso. But we'll look it up. All in good time. Oh. Oh. So I'm trying to work out if it's an old market or a fancy market, or both. I think both. Wow. Sweet. Oh, they got empanadas here as well. Okay. Alright, let's continue. That was a nice little market anyway. Let's resume. Look at the streets. So, first impressions. Very safe. Very safe. I feel a lot more safe with my electronics and things, using them here. I'm not sure why. We've only gone about 2 kilometers so far. So, you know, things can change. Expensive. A lot more expensive than Buenos Aires, Santiago. Probably one of the most expensive cities we've been to so far in South America. Kind of dead. It's Monday and it's empty. I read online that on Sundays it's like a ghost town in some parts, so I guess it's no surprising it's still not so busy on Monday. But generally safe, yeah, I feel really safe there. But just a feeling. Okay, let's carry on. So, you know what's good about traveling a lot is when you go to places where they sell antiques and things like that, you look through all the coins. Sometimes you find euros, dollar coins. It's really worth doing. I found a pound the other day, but I didn't have any Argentinian pesos to pay for it, but it was half price. I do that in America too. If I find English money or euros in America, Americans don't travel that much, then I'll take them to Europe, UK, spend them. Doesn't really happen vice versa. I don't find much money in the UK. Usually it's just old money and I can't spend it. But yeah, finding a pound or a euro is always really fun, especially if they have about 20 or 30 of them and they're cheaper. So check it out. Zebra crossings, crosswalks in Uruguay. They work, they function. You can wait and the cars will stop. That is not bad, is it? I'm liking this city already. Alright. So, Independence Square in Montevideo. All this big square here. It's a nice big main square. But the gateway to this square is kind of being propped up right now. But it's pretty much the last remaining piece of the old city wall that surrounded the Spanish citadel 200 years ago. So it's actually pretty cool that it's still standing today and you can walk under it right there. Then you can be on the grounds which once stood an old Spanish citadel right here in Montevideo with a nice bus look. Check it out, touch some history, some Spanish masonry. Wow. Although they probably enlisted other people to build it for them, but that's not the point. And here's the main square. Look at that there. This building kind of looks like, you know when a kid plays with some Lego and they start stacking it and it starts going out and you're kind of like, what on earth are you building? Well, there it is. Let's take a closer look. I see old Jose right in front of us on his horse. Uruguayan hero, war hero. Let's go check him out, see what he's up to. So there he is, look, Jose Artigas, look, sitting proud on his horse. Let's see how proud he looks. There you go, a modern day Washington. Well, only slightly modern, but it's a very impressive statue. Look, you can actually go down and around it. Yeah, very, very impressive. What I noticed about some cities, especially in Santiago, are these blocks of flats here, these apartments. They kind of just stood right in the city center. If you go to somewhere like London, for example, a lot of these have been driven and moved out of the cities, you know, into the suburbs. But it's yeah, especially quite weird to see blocks of flats like this right in the center. It doesn't really matter, but it's just an observation I noticed. Jose Artigas is a war hero here. He's a revered, respected. At least I imagine he is. He did a lot for the country, a lot for the area. And he was involved in a lot of battles as well. He was involved in the attempted British invasion, which I think they tried to invade twice. Via the River de la Plata, to try to annex some of Spanish colony. Well, he supported the Primera junta against the royalists. It was pesky Spanish. The Argentinian War for Independence. And the Portuguese invasion too. So yeah, definitely contributed a lot towards freedom from the Spanish. Kick them out, kick the royalists out. I think ultimately he was exiled into Paraguay where he died. I think he lived a healthy life. But yeah, he's a celebrated war hero here. Very respected. You can tell that from his giant monument. Look how big it is. It's not bad, is it? Anyway, let's continue. So today's a good day. I've just found a peso. And on the topic of pesos, there's 38 of these buggers in $1. So I found just short of 3 American cents. It's not bad, is it? Check it out, look, Uruguayan TV. Wonder what they're reporting. Maybe they're reporting about that bus, how uncomfortable it is. Or maybe Lego building, who knows. Or maybe the lack of trash cans in the main square. It's only a mystery. Maybe we can eavesdrop. What's she talking about? Hey, if anyone lives in Uruguay and you watch this news article, then say hello to yourself. Alright, let's continue. So, prices. Maybe we'll talk about prices later, but so here's my hotel, look. Check it out. You wouldn't know it was a hotel, would you? But yeah, See if anybody is home. Look at my room door. Look at the security. It's just stuck on. Oh boy. Alright. What's Spanish for please put a screw in here? I'm having my breakfast. I've never had breakfast on the first day before. I did that. Got some Argentinian cake here. And I get that, a little spread of tea and coffee and some honey. It's not bad, is it? Look at that. Oh, I brought those with me. Let's have a little look outside. See what there is. Got a little patio here, look. A big tree. It even has a name, look. El Patio de the Morocha. I probably said that way wrong. Are we allowed up here? Or will I die? Yeah, maybe. Oh, let's skip that one. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Oh my god. These stairs are special. Wow, look at this. A Uruguayan roof, look. You've seen it here first. Not bad, is it? Cheers. Salud. Did they say salud in Uruguay? I'm not sure. Salud.